Hi guys, we're going to buy Christmas tree today. Yeah. Da-da-da-da. Had a very shiny nose that I could ever smell it. Rudolph, with your nose so bright.
Should we even walk on the farm area? You never find anything really.
Huh?
Should we even walk in that one area? We always
Yeah.
go to the tent.
This is really cute. It's also sort of ridiculous.
I know, but it's nice to walk on a Christmas tree farm.
Okay.
And the makers of Swiss Miss Hot Cocoa, they launched their very own ugly sweater this year. With a twist, the sweater has a built-in insulated zipper pouch for carrying around your favorite Swiss Miss Hot Cocoa flavor in a thermos in your sweater.
Swiss Miss, Angel's favorite. I didn't even know that's the name. I know it's hot cocoa,
We got
but
her.
they remember. Yeah, we did.
Oh, okay.
And also marshmallow.
With the marshmallows, I remember that. Yeah.
Yeah, with what kind of marshmallow was that?
Something special.
With the charms.
Oh, Lucky Charms.
Yeah, Lucky Charms marshmallow.
Okay, that's good.
Get a sentimental feeling when you hear with the singing like the jolly tones for both of holy.
Nachos. That's what I want. Big nachos.
We arrived, guys, in Ergle. Huh? Why? What? Baby. Why? There's a lot of people.
Of course.
Oh, look at the Christmas tree.
Damn.
Oh, people already buying their Christmas tree.
Sugar Pop was the first day.
Mix 100.7.
Are you listening? A beautiful sight. We're happy tonight. The Christmas trees are small, right? Walking in the winter wonderland. Now I will enjoy the Christmas tree. Guys, we are here. Oh yeah. We should get 2 Christmas trees today. I mean this time. A small one. Okay. And they have more that arrive, so I don't have to worry that will go. Look at that big old thing.
Oh, that one?
Yeah. Look, there's so many in there. Yeah, dang. Look at this. I like this one because we can put some things in here. How much is this? Oh crap. It's $400.
That's huge. They said there was a Christmas tree shortage this year. They're beautiful. Look at all these.
Yeah, it's huge. I know. Look, it's so tall, guys. It's so big. So big.